How to add search bar in Wix website. First, open up your web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where you manage all your Wix sites. Look at the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll see a button that says Edit Site. Click on that. Now that you're in the Wix editor, focus on the left side of your screen. There's a toolbar with various icons. Find the one that looks like little squares. This is the Add Apps icon. Click on it. A new window will pop up with a search bar at the top. Click on the search bar and type in Wix Site Search. You'll see a list of results. Look for the one named Wix Site Search. This is the official Wix app for adding a search bar. Click on the app to select it. After selecting the app, you'll see a button that says Add to Site. Click that button, and Wix will automatically add the search bar to your website. You can then drag and drop the search bar to place it wherever you like on your site. And there you have it. Adding a search bar to your Wix website is quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.